Imagine yourself in this 2018 Kia Forte SX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, auto shift manual transmission, Bluetooth, clock and dash, compressor, intercooled turbo and cruise control. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.